This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Macklin. Move-in ready. Professionally painted throughout. New luxury vinyl flooring installed in living room/dining room. New carpet in all of the bedrooms. Amazing kitchen updated with center island/bar seating, granite countertops. Ceramic tiled floor. Exterior power washed. Amazing outdoor living space with large deck and primary bedroom suite balcony overlooking beautiful in-ground pool with new liner, 2021. 3-car garage. All of this located in the sought-after community of Forest Lakes in the GRASSFIELD High School District. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Macklin at 757-897-8750.